Today I'm going to show you the basics of WeVideo. You can either log into WeVideo from your Canvas course or go to wevideo.com and sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to start a new project right here and I'm going to choose a video project. So WeVideo is a browser-based video editing program and allows you to pull clips directly from Drive, or you can record them right into the program. So first, we're going to figure out where we want to save this edit that we're doing. And we're going to start, and here we are. This is the WeVideo program. Up here is the different options of stock media that you have, that you can use the ones that WeVideo already has built into their program. My media is where you are going to either import video that you have created and maybe uploaded to Drive or record directly into the program. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to record my webcam. So here I am. So I want to make sure that I'm going to start my recording, and probably a good idea to have good lighting and not a distracting background. Hi there, this is a quick video test of how do you use the record button in WeVideo. And then once I finish recording this video, we are going to edit out a mistake I made. So you can see it's going to give you a little preview. You can watch, re-record again, or save it. So now that my video is done here, I'm going to use my space bar to start and stop. You can see it's in the process of processing my video right now, so you may want to wait for that to be completely processed before you do any editing. So I hit the space bar to start the video. Hi there, this is a quick video test of how do you use the record button in WeVideo. And then once I finish recording this video, we are going to edit out a mistake I made. All right, so that is my clip, and I can move back to the point where I kind of said I am done recording here. Finish recording this video, we are going to edit. Oh, let's go back and do it again. You use the record button in WeVideo. Right there. So if I want this part, but I don't want the rest of this, I can just grab the end right here, and I can pull it back. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm temporarily hiding that part of the video. And so you might want to play it again to make sure that you got it in the right spot. And then once I think it's back a little bit farther. So this gives you options. If you decided you didn't want it, you can always pull it the other way. If you did have your own video, you would import it. For a lot of our students, will import it directly from Google Drive and bring the clips right in. Once you have your video editing here, I would just go across the top and decide what you want. Do you want to put text on your video? If so, you have all these text options. Would you like an additional audio track or sound files, which you can add down on this track down here? You would just drag it down and place it there, and then trim whatever you don't need. If you have multiple clips, after my clip, you put some other clips down, you could provide transitions between. And backgrounds would be for clips that you don't you're just going to have titles on and no video in the background. When you're all done with all your video editing, you're going to press finish. Finish chooses your title, and then from there you can choose other options about where do you want to send it back to? Do you want to send it back to WeVideo's website? Do you want to send it back to Google Drive? Do you want to upload it directly to YouTube? And then what feature you have. Just one thing. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll send it back to Drive and then download it before I upload it to YouTube. So just been a few problems with that. And then you would press export and it would go through and rebuild your movie frame by frame with each of your individual clips done. And then when you're done, you can take this edited video and save it back to Google Drive or share it on Canvas or something like that. So that is just the quick basics of how to use WeVideo, the online video editor browser.